show you earlier, but this is my hair. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Honestly, it's so cute. I feel like a character from an anime. I love my black hair, but this color is just it's my color. Honestly, my hair is fried now, but is it worth it? I mean, do you guys see? Like, it's so cute. I just really love it, and I really like my outfit today. It's cute. I'm just going shopping. I'm going to Pop Girl Vintage and I'm going to Sculptor, which are maybe my two favorite clothing stores.
I mean, you know Pop Girl, I always go there, and Sculptor is also so cool. I don't think I've ever been there and vlogged, so you guys see, it's really cool clothing. So, and I think I'm gonna go to a cute cafe. You're gonna love it, you'll see.
And then I'm also gonna meet my friend there, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the hair. I feel really cool and like, I love my hair. I love my apartment. I'll show you, by the way.
I'll give you a little tour of the apartment as soon as I can, as soon as I have time. You know, I just moved here, so I have a lot to like unpack and like things to do. So
yeah, I need to stop yapping and I need to go. But yay, I'm so excited. New era. Love you. Let's go. I'm on my way to Sculptor now. Because I want everything. Guys, it's my new favorite cafe. I know I always say it, but honestly, I'm screaming internally this entire time. It's like the perfect cafe. I'm telling you guys, but don't spread the word about this place. We need to keep this a secret. I never like to gatekeep, but like, we need to. This place is too special. It's so good. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna read Nana and have my next Americano. I'm obsessed. I'm also gonna buy a lot of stuff. There's so many cute things. Anyway. way too pop girl vintage now. I just got back home and I'm gonna show you the apartment really quickly. So I'm a little out of breath, but okay, it's almost sunset. That's why I want to show you now because it's really pretty. So you enter here, there's a little entry mirror, then here is a little hallway. Here on the right is my bedroom. Here I usually do my makeup. Here's the bed, mirror, and some of my clothes right there. Also, you get this really nice view from my room. I love waking up here. It's so nice. So yeah, this is my bedroom. It's really cute. And then here on the left, we have the bathroom. There's all my skincare. It's cute. I love this bathroom, honestly. It's so much better than my last one. It's like so big and I can film really well in here. So yeah, cute bathroom. And then get ready because you're about to see the best part of the apartment. Here's my vacuum, by the way, and here's like my wardrobe where I keep my clothes. There's a really nice view from here as well. Okay, and then are you guys ready? Here's the reveal. This is the main part and it's, oh my god, you guys, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay, let me show you first. This is the kitchen. It's nice, spacious. Here's a little table. I usually work here. And then the TV, and then this is the best part of the entire apartment. I literally screamed when I first saw it. Like, this view is insane. I cannot believe I live here. Like, what is this? Like, look. But yeah, I love the sofa and this whole space. I do my workouts usually here or here, and yeah, I pretty much spend like 90% of my time just in this space. So yeah, this is it. This is the new apartment. I'm genuinely so obsessed. So yeah, I'm so happy. Now I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping actually.
Because I literally had no food. No, nothing. I literally just moved in here like 1-2 days ago, so I'm kind of all over the place, but yeah.
I also am not sure how long I'm gonna stay here because I'm kind of planning on maybe possibly moving to Japan just for a while, just to try it out. So this is a very short-term rent.
But I'm gonna make the most of it. I genuinely got this place mostly just so that I could like do really cool vlogs for you guys.
I'm excited to film a lot of content in this new place. Yay. I might end this vlog here just because I'm kind of tired, but yeah, I'm excited to start a new era here and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you did. Anyway, okay. Love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you.